Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're on a journey. Haven't done this in a long time, but someone posted on the local FB Facebook page last night saying that they needed some help with their vehicle, looking for a shop that would give them a good deal. Their serpentine belt has snapped or broke, so I told them we could wake up today bright and early in the morning and I'll replace it for free. So we are on our way to do so now. It's parked at the local Walmart. I'm gonna go take a look at it, make sure it's just a serpentine belt that's broke, nothing else, and see if we get help. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share while you're watching, and stick along for the journey. Let's see what we can do and see if we can help somebody today. Here we go. I got my work shirt on today, not my Scotty's Hobbies, but let's see what is going on over here. Hi. Good, how about yourself?
Just gonna look under there.
Yep, make sure what we're working with, make sure it's actually broke, and make sure there's nothing else too.
There's like a little yellow piece to your right.
Hopefully this is the hardest part of the day. All right. Well, your serpentine belt is gone, and you do have a stretch belt down there. I don't notice anything wrong other than the serpentine belt gone.
The car light came on and just said that. I think I heard the serpentine belt snap.
When was that?
Like 1 minute before I pulled into this parking lot.
Oh, good, it's still down there. Okay, that's what I was wondering. I was gonna get to that part.
Yeah, I heard it snap, and then all of a sudden these sensors all came on in my car, like coolant is overheated, and blah, blah,
Yeah,
blah. And I was like, whoa.
it turns the water pump and everything.
I'm
so
like, what just happened?
well, this is really easy.
Oh, thank God.
Is it drivable at all right now? Hopefully we don't get in trouble for doing it right here.
I know, they know it's broke down here. I told them last night.
So it doesn't start up at all?
It starts up. I could drive it like further out there.
That's what I was thinking. If we could get it out to the back of the parking lot, would be a little bit better, so we're not taking it apart right here.
Yeah, I can do that.
Let's go ahead and do that real quick.
Overheats and like, you know.
Yeah, well, we're not going to drive it long enough to overheat.
Okay.
Literally a minute or two, and then we'll get it going.
Just like back there where the food truck guy usually is?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
just
okay,
in a
fine.
parking spot, just in the back, so we don't bother anybody.
Okay.
And we don't take up spots, and I don't park like this. So
Okay, sounds good.
I'll get hate messages on my YouTube video.
Okay.
Cool. I'm gonna set this, and we'll run it over there real quick.
Thank
This is
you.
easy stuff.
Oh, this is so nice of you. I can't even.
And I think I did. I brought all the right tools too. If I didn't, I'm not too far from here where I live, so I could go back and get the right stuff.
I'll move the car up there.
Perfect. Easy stuff. So she was right. It was just a serpentine belt. There is a stretch belt on this thing. So I'm gonna go, well, we're gonna move the car first, and then I'm gonna go get the parts, get this thing fixed. Easy stuff. All right, so we got the parts, both belts and the tool for the stretch belt. And look at this. Can you see this? I'm not sure if you can see all this. It's starting to rain. Good thing it's California and it's pretty darn warm still. We're gonna get this job done, get her on the road. Shouldn't take long. And you guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I'm gonna be doing more of these. This is the 3rd or 4th video I've done helping somebody off of the local Facebook page. Make sure you check out the other videos. Oh, and look at this. Hopefully you can see it. Let's go out here. There's a rainbow. That's pretty cool. A beautiful young lady once told me, reminded me every time, that a rainbow is God's promise to never flood the earth again. Not sure if that's true, but I'm gonna think it's true. So here we go. Let's go put these belts on. It actually made it easier because somebody took this plastic cover off, so I didn't have to take that off. I already got the stretch belt off using the stretch tool, and it's starting to rain a tad bit harder. Here is the other belt. right here. Sweet, easy stuff. Got the serpentine belt tool, serpentine belt tensioner right here. Everything's really easy to do on this thing right on top, thank God. Route it around the crankshaft pulley. Try to. Around the alternator. Maybe we'll try to get it around the water pump. Already got the serpentine back on. Now let's get the AC stretch belt back on and we'll be done. Wrap around the AC first. I must say that these stretch belts can be a pain in the butt. This metal tool doesn't make it much easier though. The plastic ones actually are easier. Voila, done. Want to start it up real quick, make sure nothing's gonna fly off. It should be good. All your belts are on, they're not flying off. That's a good sign. Somebody who worked on this prior to me you have a little plastic cover that's supposed to be right here. It's not there. So if you look at it later and you're like, what the hell, he didn't put it back on, it just wasn't there. The whole fender liner is actually gone. So, not the biggest deal in the world, but it's not there, it wasn't there, and it's not going to be there. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. I'm going to put this wheel back on and we can get on our happy way. No problem. Okay, so here we are. This thing is all done, good to go. It's driving, belts on. That's it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Check out Scotty's Hobbies. Check out all the videos. Tell everybody about me. And I'll see you guys in the next, hopefully helpful video. Make sure you like this one, guys.